Your Google business profile has 14 photos. Your competitor down the street has more than 200 photos. Guess who's getting 3 times more bookings? Spoiler alert, it's not because their food is better. But here's what shocked me. It's not about uploading random photos. It's about these 6 specific photo types that most restaurants completely ignore. Ciao, I'm Andrea, the SEO Chef, and today I'm gonna show you the exact photo recipe that turned my clients' empty Tuesday nights into full book tables in just 4 weeks. Let me start with a reality check. When someone searches for restaurants near me on Google, they're not just reading reviews. They look at the photos. But most restaurant owners just upload 10 to 15 photos when they first set up their profile. And then they never touch it again. Let me show you exactly how I did. Here's the thing. Google's algorithm loves fresh content. Every time you upload a new photo, Google sees as a signal that your business is active and relevant. Google wants to show people active businesses, not abandoned ones. So, if you're not uploading photos regularly, Google assumes you're not worth showing to searchers. Now, let's talk about the 6 photo types that actually moved the needle. This is the recipe I use for every single client, and it works every time. First ingredient, food close-ups. But not just any food photos. I'm talking about hero shots of your signature dishes. Steam rising from a bowl of ramen, cheese pulled from a pizza slice, the crunchy golden crust on the sourdough bread. These photos should make people hungry just by looking at them. Use natural light, get close, and make it look delicious. Your phone camera is perfectly fine for this. Second ingredient, the full dining experience. Show the whole table, a couple enjoying dinner, a family celebrating a birthday. Google loves these kind of pictures because they tell a story. These photos get the most engagement because people imagine themselves in the seat at your restaurant. Third ingredient, behind the scenes action. Take your customers into the kitchen. Show your chef plating a dish. Show your wood-fired oven in action. People love seeing the craftsmanship behind their meal. It builds trust and authenticity. Fourth ingredient, interior and ambience shots. Your dining room, your bar area, the cozy corner booth. These photos help people decide if your vibe matches what they're looking for. Are they looking for a romantic date spot or a casual family dinner? Your interior photos answer that question immediately. Fifth ingredient, your team. Photos of your staff, your chef, your bartender making cocktails. When people see faces, they feel connected before they even walk in. Google also uses this to verify your real, active business. Sixth ingredient, seasonal and event updates. Christmas decorations, Valentine's Day specials, live music nights. These photos shows that your restaurant is alive and evolving. They give people a reason to visit now, not later. Now, here's where most restaurants fail. They upload all these photos once and they forgot about it. That's wrong. The secret is consistency. Those weekly uploads tell Google that this business is active and worth promoting in search results. Who do you think Google is going to prioritize? The active restaurant that is frequently uploading content or the one that looks abandoned? The answer is obvious. I don't have time to take photos every week. I hear you. Here's my solution. I got a really good guy in Melbourne that does the best pictures for you. If you want to do it yourself, dedicate 20 minutes twice a week, Tuesday afternoon and Friday evening. Take 5 to 10 quick photos on your phone. Then upload them directly to Google Business Profile from your phone. Also, don't overthink. You don't need professional photography for this. Eventually you might, but you can also do it yourself. Google actually prefers authentic, real photos over polished stock images. Your iPhone or Android camera is more than enough. Just make sure that lighting is good, the focus is sharp, and the photo shows something that invites people to your door. Now is the pro tip that most restaurants miss. Name your follow file before uploading. Instead of img1234, rename it to Margherita Pizza at your restaurant name and location area. These add keyword context for Google, so he understands what's your restaurant name and where you're located. It's a tiny detail, but it helps with local SEO rankings. So, here's your action plan for this week. First, check how many photos your Google Business profile currently has. Second, take 20 photos this week. 5 food close-up, 5 dining experience shots, 5 behind the scenes, and 5 interior shots. Upload them all to your Google Business profile. Third, set a recurring reminder on your phone. Every Tuesday and Friday, take and upload 3 new photos. Make it a non-negotiable part of your weekly routine. Remember, your food might be incredible, but if Google doesn't have enough visual proof, people will never find you. So tell me, how many pictures do you have on your Google Business profile? Check it and let me know in the comments below. I want to see where you're starting from. And before I go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my future weekly SEO tips for your restaurant. I'll see you next week. Ciao for now.